The motive, it's about the profession, and as well as they have um, uh, personal grudge or personal disagreement na nagsimula sa utang.
Among the, among the vloggers din.
No.
Sa magkakagrupo sila.
No, dun sila lang. The mastermind and the vlogger.
Sir, pero na-identify
And the
na
victim.
yung
Masterminds.
Masterminds. Chief, anong profile po ng mga masterminds?
They are businessmen at magpartner. Magpartner meaning mag-boyfriend or mag-asawa.
Dati.
8 million.
Sino ang may utang kanino, sir? Sila po ang may utang kay Mima?
Or si Mima?
Or si Mima ang may utang sa kanila?
Si Mima ang may utang at the victim is may utang tapos pinautang niya.